All right. Okay, okay. I hope everyone is doing good. We are live just now. Let's see. Okay. Mm, audio is good. Yeah. Let me. Okay. Yeah, we're good. So the last trade we took here, eventually price did retrace, but from this level. Okay. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay. If you zoom on 4 hour time frame, basically, you see this is the level 6.5 that we were talking about. So price did retrace through these levels because we had a major rejections, at this point. And according to me, there are possibilities that from here we might come down a little bit, but we need to check if this 4 hour candle is closing like bullish candle or it's gonna be closing like a bearish candle. So it's really depend on that. But let's take a look at the bigger time frame as well at the same time. We have a huge bullish candle here. All right. Weekly candle is bullish. We are taking support from this area multiple times. Okay. On a monthly time frame, we have a bullish candle, but also keep in mind that we had a bearish candle before that. So overall, we are in the uptrend. Okay. Overall, we are in the uptrend. Now, after this beautiful uptrend, okay, look at this price action. Give me a minute. Okay, yeah. So as I was saying, that price is on a really good uptrend. Okay. And if you ask me, like, this is a small consolidation zone right now. For me, the reason I'm saying a consolidation zone, look at this. What we were expecting is that from this area, price did a small rejection, did a retracement of this point, made a high, low, then a high. Now it's breaking this low here and went up. Now, if we do continue this trend, then from here, price should be breaking the low and going for this area here. But that is, we need to wait and see what it does basically. So for the last trade we took was the loss. Let me update that on the stream as well. Okay, because it's important. I don't know how can I update. I cannot update. Interesting. Okay. We had a loss of 50 pips, right? but I think I took it a little bit mm, more than that. But let's see. Yeah, now it's updated properly. Okay, price is still dropping down here. In some period of time, I think, yeah, uh, the up session hasn't started, right? So in some period of time, I think we're gonna see some volume for the right direction because I want to wait for 15 minutes because how much we have? I think we have 1 hour left. So once this 4 hour candle do flip, then I think we should be looking for sells, but not right now. I want to see this low to be break. Okay, let me put a stop loss here. Sorry, yeah, that. Once we go below this area, then I would like to see price, doing something like this, rejecting and then dropping below again. That would be our target, basically. In the meantime, if you guys have any questions, you can ask. You can ask. Okay. We did just broke the low here. Okay, I'm gonna go to 5 minute time frame because I want to see the break of structure as well. So let's see, we are breaking below the structure. If this candle close below this area, then we can take the trade. Do we need a closer below this area? Otherwise, we cannot. 1 minute, we have a closure. How much stop loss would be here? 40 pips to target what? 30 pips. Need to target more than that. Okay, we got a closure of a 5 minute candle, but it immediately break the low. So that is something like I'm not sure if I should take the immediate trade here or not. Or should we wait for 9 minutes more? Question will be that. Should we? Because in Asia, we touched this high. Since then, we've been trending to the lower side, right? So, question is, if we do continue going down and break this low, we have a clean range here as well. Interesting, interesting, interesting. What do we have? Do we have any news? So let me just, be sure about this trade before I take anything that is not right. We have at 8:30. Okay, we have a news at 8:30, right? So we have quite some time for that. We have quite some time, so we're gonna wait a little bit. We're gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for this 15-minute candle to close and see how it's reacting. Because if I take a trade based on a 5 minute closure, that will be something like, not that strong confirmation for trade to be go in my favor. Are you from Surat? Well, if you meet me, then yes. Nice to meet you then. So yeah, nice to meet you. I mean, hope we can, later on meet someday. I'm also from Surat as well. Right, guys, all right. I mean, like, look at this. Like, price did went up, and now it's moving down. So this is good. This is good. Like, this is now a good entry point. But we did not take the trade yet because price is having a huge volume, and I just want to be sure as we are breaking the low of the 4 hour candle as well. Okay, 1 hour. This is good. We are back to this point where we take another trade here, right? Remember? Let's take a look at this. What do you see? We have, I'm gonna remove this. Price did, consolidate at this point where we have, like in the last live stream, I told you, like this is a key area, right? So after breaking that structure, price have been trending to the upside. Now we are at the resistance point. So we are rejecting that area, but we are not taking a trade right now on this one as well. Okay. I was assuming if the candle do flip bearish on the silver, but yeah, then we can take the trade. So GJ, so yeah, as I was saying, as for GJ, the last I told you guys that once we do break above the structure, we should be looking for buys. And right now we are in a consolidation zone. Okay. So what I'll be looking for basically is something, anything above this area will be good for us. Okay. But let's take a look at the bigger time frame as well at the same time. Okay, we have a daily candle which have not break the low or done nothing at this point. It's been a day and it's done nothing. So there's not much volume. That's what it says. And we are resting at this point where we have rejected multiple times now. Now the question is, if we do break above the structure, where price will go next? Interesting. What is the I here? That is 21 pips, 38 pips. We've been consolidation in Asian session. In London, we did nothing. So there is a possibility is that we do move in GJ in NY session. So let's see what do we get on this pair. For GU, we've been trending upside. Okay, okay. GU. All right, all right. Let's wait some time because I think like we should wait for 4 hour or 1 hour candle to close at least. I think we have, yeah, 4 hour candle to close before we take any trade here. All right, we got the 15-minute closure in next 50 seconds. So let's see. I mean, I'm positive that if we get a closure here, then next 15 minutes will come back a little bit up, retrace the areas, and then go down. That is a possibility that I'm looking for. Otherwise, if we do not get a better trade on GJ, sorry, gold, then we have GJ that we can look for because we've been consolidating for quite some time, and I'm pretty sure like we can get some volume as we at this point here. Guys, leave a like to the live stream if you're watching it. Okay, we got a closure on a 30-minute and 15-minute time frame here. Now, question is, are we gonna reject these areas and go up and close like this? Or are we gonna, continue going down? Looks like price will be continue going down. because it's a strong momentum here, this huge candle and it's flipping bearish again. We have Institute of Supply Management Manufacturing PMI data coming in, which will be Purchasing Manager Index. So they were forecasting is like 48.2. Previous was 48.4. All right. Previous numbers were bad. Only in December we got good number. So let's say this data will be, I think it will be effective on gold. So I want to see how that will be moving. But I'm pretty sure, like, I think price will have a good momentum before that or after that. This is going up. I think we still have room for price to move up. That is good. How much we are expecting here? That is still a lot. No. according to me, as we've been into an uptrend, like if this price does come back again into the zone and trending to the upside, I think buys will be way better than the sells as we were in the uptrend for a long, like in bigger time frame. Okay, we can get it. Give me a minute, guys, again. Right, price is moving down here. Okay, so yeah, price is moving pretty nice here after breaking the third low here, and I still want to see like a retest on a 30-minute time frame, something like this for take, taking the trade. Because in this move, I'm pretty sure I have done this a lot. I do make money, but sometimes I lost big. So good thing is we are just starting in the NY session. We can wait and we'll see how this goes. So we are at the entry point like yesterday. So, like if we just take an executed trade, I think we're gonna hit the TP there. But no, we're not gonna execute a trade right now because we do not trade that way. We follow our plan, and yeah, that's what we do. GJ, we have nothing till now. On gold, we have been trending downside. It's like what kind of a feeling I have is that this big move, we might come a little bit down in this areas, but we will come back up again. What's your account balance at the moment? At the moment, we have 100,000 plus $900. So basically, we are up around 0.90% of the account. Yep, it is great. Like till now, we have taken three trades. Two trade were winner, and yesterday was the one we lost. So overall, we were up around 1.3%. But I think we're gonna do better. Let's see. I'm just waiting for it because we have news today at 8:30 p.m. And so this is Indian Standard Time Zone. So if wherever you guys are, you decide based on that, right? So according to me, we have news at 8:30 p.m. and I would like to see how price move at this point of time. I might pause the live stream for a moment but not sure. I might pause the live stream for a moment. Okay, now there we go. We are getting some rejections again now. That's great. Okay. I mean, if you make money, then you should stop trading because it's Friday, right? But yeah, then you should be done with it. For me, like I just open the charts and I'm now looking at the price action and will take a trade today because I trade at that time, at this time especially. So just watching, food over is flipping bullish here at the end of the time. I mean, at the end of the 4 hour candle closure, we have 15 minutes left for that. And according to me, it will be good to see buys above this area because we've been consolidating for quite some time. So let's see. Even in today, we did not move at all. So TXY has been like it did went up crazy yesterday, but today it's been trending to the downside. There's no moment watch. But I think if it's going down, then gold should be, you know, having some reaction. But they are moving so similar right now. I cannot say much. I'm gonna pin a message in sometime. Let's see because I want to do some things. Look at that. This was a pretty clean breakout, but as I said, like we need to see some kind of a rejection to these areas before we take any further trade. For now, I do not see anything like that is useful to take the trade because there is no confirmation. We did get the volume, but there's no confirmation to take the trade. So there's no point to just take a blind trade. All right, guys, we're still waiting. I mean, there's nothing at this point. If you guys have any questions, please hit me up in the chat. We're gonna answer it. Right. Guys, this is coming up. Now all we need to see is either price gonna reject this area or it gonna, you know, come back up above this area. So let's wait and see what it does. In the meantime, I might be, going off from the live stream for like 15 minutes. So give me 15 minutes because I will go at 7:30 because I have something to take care of. Then we're gonna come back and do the live stream because I know there is a news at 8:30 and I wanna see what trade we can take at that time. To be honest, right now I'm just watching the price action and getting an understanding of like what it's doing basically. Like this is like you see, this is now a huge fake out. This was just a covering up this end, recovering a little bit, but like 1 hour candle just moving back up, 4 hour candle moving back up. So we have 8 minutes left before the 4 hour candle close. That's why I said like we need to wait for the 4 hour candle to be closed. Now all we need to see is this, if this 5 minute candle do close above or below this structures. Okay, we are tapping into the zone now. Either this 5 minute candle totally gonna flip bearish, or we'll see because how much time we have. We have 6 minutes left, so it's all depend on this or the next 5 minute candle. How the 4 hour candle will close. Based on that, we're gonna take the trade. Because assuming if it candle flows above this level, then there is a possibility that we can see a huge move up. Okay, but before that, we might see some rejection to the downside, but that is a possibility because if we close above this area, basically we are closing above the structure again, which we are not looking for, to be honest, if you're looking for a sell idea. Right, all right, all right, all right. I'm good. How are you? How are you doing, bro? How are you doing? I hope how is the funded account going? Did you won? I'm not sure. Did you? I think you were the winner, right? Yeah, yesterday Hassel hit. That was a tragedy. Like we are at the same entry point. You see again. Like to be honest, I was not expecting, but price did went up because there was still a huge volume to the buy side. But anyway, price did reject it 6.5 as we did talk in the live stream, right? So since then we've been trending to the downside. Question is like now this 4 hour candle will be closing like a bearish candle or it will be like rejecting and moving to the upside. You see? Yes, I'm a winner. Yeah, you are the winner. I hope the account is going good and we all can pass the account because I am doing the live stream as well and things like that. So I'll be taking a break. I'm gonna pin this message. Okay. So, we're gonna be back in 15 minutes again because I need to take care of something and it will be good. Account is gone in minus. Okay. I thought account is gone. Okay. We'll be taking a break at 7:30 and we'll be back in 15 minutes exactly. Okay. So whatever you need to do, you have 15 minutes. Then take your popcorn and whatever you like, take a drink and let's have a big live stream today, because I'll be waiting for 8:30 candles and at that time because we have news, so I'm pretty sure we will have a good volume at that time, so I want to trade at that time will be great. All right, so what I will be saying is take 50 minutes off. We're gonna be back again at 7:45. So till then live stream like here will be on, so if you guys want to chat or do something you can. I think I should start doing the Zoom with you guys as well with some of the Discord people, but let's see. Recently, I watched a video of a crypto guy, but I'll be sharing that. Like, when I be back, I will show you guys what I'm talking about. I mean, that was That was hilarious. That was something. Like, that's bad, to be honest. That what happened in the live stream was bad. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. All right, guys, I'll be taking off. I'll see you in 15 minutes. So stick with us, okay, till that time. I totally forgot that my microphone is off and I was speaking like an idiot. Sorry guys, I did not explain you that our stop loss is around 2652 and our TP is around, this 2642.25 or so. The reason we have taken the trade because we waited for price to break below, retested, rejected, we've seen rejection, so we have put stop loss above this area. So even if price do come back up, we are not expecting for price to break above this area. So most likely we can see is that price continue going down. But if we do not see that, then we're gonna take a buy, which will be above the structure, right? So for GJ, we are still consolidating. There is no trade. Let's see what we can get here. Because this is a similar setup like a last time, right? We are taking a entry little bit above the other area, but since here after breaking this structure, price started moving to the upside. So if we lose today the same setup, that means this is not a profitable setup at all. But like this time we have more confirmation, right? We waited for price to break below. We waited to do a retest and then reject again. And I think now if it does go down, that will be way better. Great idea. Like I don't know why microphone was off though. Yeah, I think I paused the live stream at that time. I did the microphone was off at that time. We are losing $160 or $80 on this trade. Even if we lose the profit, we are making similar amount of profit. So this is a one to risk 1%, we are gaining 1%. All right, guys, we are moving here. Price is dropping pretty quick. We are up around $140 on this trade. Now, all we need is the price to break below the structures, so that will give me more confirmation that price will be continue going down. But I think I'm gonna close full position at this point once we hit the zone because I don't want to hold it for any long period of time. Like holding trades is something it's hard to be honest. We have 1 minute left for this 5 minute candle to close because you see it did went down, but now it's coming back up, which I do not like to be honest. When we have 5 minutes left for the 15 minute candle closer, so next 5 minute candle will be important because if it does flip bullish, then we are done for to be honest on this trade. I mean, I'm gonna move to TP here basically. So here's the thing, right? We are already up on this position that will be 20 pips or so. If you think on that, then I think for me to manage the risk, if this price do go in above this 2649 or so, then I need to close somehow the position. Like we have 5 minutes left for the, even the 30-minute candle to close. So if this closure is bullish, then it is not good, right? But if it's a closure that is bearish below the structure, then that is a good confirmation for next price to move down more. So let's see, because it's all depend on this 5 minute candle. See, that is coming back up now. For 1 hour, we have still 30 minutes left. Now, all I will do is my stop loss will be now minimum at this point because I'm moving above this candle right now. Yeah, that will be way better because if this 1 hour candle do flip bullish, then there is no point of taking this trade. Okay, so I don't want that candle to flip bullish. So I'm moving my SL here. So that will be 2650.70, right? There you go. We are now losing around $600 or so because if price do break above the structure, there is no going back. Then I think price will be consolidating also. And we have half hour for the news to come up. So it's really important to see how this 30-minute and the next 30-minute candle turn out to be. Because based on them, the news will be coming out, And the proper structure completes here, I think, for me. Okay. So for price to come down here is something to complete the structure to move forward or, even more down. Yeah. So yeah, I was doing something, and how much we have? We have 1 minute left, guys. 1 minute. That's it. Because this 5 minute candle is closing bullish, and I do not like this move here. Because this is like bullish momentum coming in on a bearish side because we just break this low, retested that, coming back down, and we are respecting this lows here, which I do not like. Second thing, so we have 1 minute left for the 15-minute candle, which we're gonna be closing bullish. So as the 30-minute candle will be closing back into the range, which is something still not good, right? So yeah, I think we're gonna be closing this trade soon enough. We have 1 minute. Either in 1 minute this candle directly closes here or at the entry point or so. But if it not, then it's gonna be closing at our stop loss. Let's see. Yep, I think we're gonna close this trade again. How much time we have? Yeah, 15 seconds left, and this candle will be closing bullish. I'm pretty sure now. This is still not good. Next candle could easily go up, hit the stop loss, and then move forward down. Let's see. Yeah, we are near to a stop loss then. Let's see. Are we gonna hit that sell? Are we gonna see a down momentum? Question is that. If this 30-minute candle respect the high of the previous 30-minute candle, there is a big possibility for price to move down. But if it does not do that, there is a more possibility for price to continue going up. Like if we break above this structure, okay, this area, then I'll be looking for buy simple. Price is moving up. There you go. We're gonna be hitting our SL in some time. 600 gone. All right, now we lost this trade. Okay. Now what you see is that price did created low, high, and it's now breaking above this high. Okay, on a 15-minute time frame, we are moving up. On a 30-minute time frame, we are going bullish. So as well on 1 hour time frame. Now all I can think of is that either price is moving forward to the upside again, and this is the momentum. This is a break of structure again. So if this 5-minute candle close above this area again, above this area, then what we'll be looking for is a similar entry point, which will be something like this, right? But also keep in mind we have a news in 20 minutes or so, 20-30 minutes. Damn, I mean, like we lost two trades in a row. Like yesterday we lost this one, today this one. Should I give another chance to this or not? With GJ, we are still moving up, but we have no breakout structure or anything like that. 4 hour is looking good. We are going up. To be honest, GJ is moving up. I mean, that could be a better opportunity there. There we go. We got the 5 minute candle closure, which is exactly below the zone. It's not above the zone. So now that is a confusing point again. Now, you see, like, are we going to continue going up or not? Candle is flipping bearish again. So now I do not trust the volume at all because it's now confusing. Like, how price is moving. We created a new high here. Okay, after this low, we break this high basically, made a retracement, coming back up. So if you're backing down and breaking above, that is another thing we can look for. But there you go. I don't know why. I don't know why I forgot every time I turn off the microphone to make turn it on. Sometimes I think like it's done itself off. I don't know. I need to check. Like, is it some kind of a setting or something? Because I don't know. Maybe because yeah, I was just explaining things here, and I did not see that that microphone is off. Like this is the second time on the same live stream this is happening. Either my mind is not working. Pretty. I mean, I don't know what to say. Trading is hard job. I just forget every time I turn off the mic. Yes. Okay, 30 seconds. Okay, all we need to see is that are we getting a break of structure above this area? If we do, then I'm gonna take a buy. Okay. As for gold, we are still like we did break above technically, but there's no momentum at this point, so I don't want to trade that now. I want to take my last chance on GJ and see because I cannot take because we already took one trade, we lost that, and don't want to take the trade like that way. So we did close back in the range, so I'm not gonna take a trade now, right? Because 1 hour last 15-minute candle, 30-minute last 15-minute candle. So there are two options. First, either this trade is going to be like you know like a shoot up like with a huge momentum because you see like since Asian session we have not gotten a proper momentum like this. But as for gold, prices dropping down again. To be honest, this is so ridiculous. Like we took a sell here after having a confirmation break of structure, retested and price going down. Now it's coming back up and moving like this. I'm not sure like how it's going because also we have news. So either we wait for the news at 8:30, which is in next 15 minutes. So let's see on that part. But on GJ, I think we are still good, right? Huh? Like we can take a trade, but it will be risky. How much we can risk? That is 20 pips to target what? 30 pips? What do you think, guys? Should we risk? Because we do have 4 hour candle breaking the high its own high here. So if we do that basically after this high, okay, let's see this way, right? Once this 50-minute candle break the high, we're gonna take a buy and put stop loss exactly below this low. Simple. Let's do that. Okay, yeah, that let's do that. I hope, yeah, yeah, microphone is now good. I mean, I just wanted, I thought like it was off again. Yeah, I wanted to show you guys something, right? I was going to show you guys something. Let me show you now. Let me show you. So, watch this. Okay, watch this. That is this guy who's doing live stream basically on a crypto stuff. Okay. Let me down the volume on.
Lads,
Now he accidentally reveals the seed phase of his account here. And
Oh fuck.
next, what happened is something like crazy.
Was that my seed phrase? The fuck? Where the fuck is my flog at?
There.
All the fucking flog is out of my wallet right now. All the shoggy. What
And
the fuck, bro? Bro, my fucking. Oh my fucking god, bro.
What's happened? Dude,
Fuck
chill.
this shit.
Alright,
No fucking way, dude.
I gotta end this.
Are you fucking serious?
I mean, damn, that was, you see, like he just lost 100K of his money just revealing the seed phase. And some time ago, there was this guy who accidentally, like, commented on my channel saying that, I have my seed phase. How can I log into the account? I was like, that is random. And I told him, like, do not show your seed phase to anyone. Either there was a scammer who was trying to do something. Okay, now if we reject it again, now I don't want to say that price will continue going down again. So all I'm gonna do is wait some time, because 9 minute we have. Take a look at that. We did tap into this zone and now flipping bearish, going to the downside. Should we give another chance to the trade, to a sell idea? Because we have 10 minutes before the news come out. Or we wait 10 minutes. Let's wait another 5 minutes and see. As for GJ, price did came back down, but we still have 9 minutes left. Okay. Question is, are we going to back into this zone? Gold is moving up again. What do you think about the news, guys? How price will react to that? Let's remove this and go to daily time frame just to check on. We did break the high, now flipping bearish. So, okay. So candle is looking like that. So, okay. So this is the high of the 4 hour candle, and this is the low, and this is that area. So next 9 minutes or so, I think like we have 5 to 10, like 8 minutes before the news head up. So this will give us more confidence like how this trades. So first of all, this 1 hour candle, how it's closing, right? हिंदी बोला करो भाई इसमें प्रॉब्लम ऐसा है कि लाइक स्टार्टिंग से मैंने ना पूरी ऑडियंस ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड बिल्ड किया है एंड इफ आई स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग जस्ट वन लैंग्वेज तो दैट विल बी लाइक जस्ट मिक्सचर फॉर द ऑडियंस इसलिए मैं हिंदी नहीं बोल रहा बेसिकली इसलिए दैट्स इट तो मेरे को सबका देखना पड़ता है राइट मिक्स ओके दैट लेट्स सी बेसिकली मतलब मैं कह ये रहा था कि हमारे पास लाइक न्यूज़ है अभी 8:30 को। सो मोस्ट लाइकली 6 मिनट है, एंड 6 मिनट के अंदर ये 1 आवर कैंडल कैसे क्लोज होता है, दैट इज इम्पोर्टेंट। ठीक है, ये 1 आवर कैंडल अगर बैरिश क्लोज होता है तो वी नीड टू सी के नेक्स्ट न्यूज़ पे कैसा रिएक्ट करेगा। ओके, लाइक लास्ट मैंने ट्रेड अभी लिया था ये सेल इधर, बट वो प्रॉपरली वर्कआउट नहीं हुआ, एंड नाउ प्राइस इज गोइंग डाउन, राइट? तो थोड़ा देखना पड़ेगा। हाँ, डेली लाइफ तो करेंगे, विल डू आवर बेस्ट। डेली लाइफ तो करेंगे। ओके, we have 5 minutes. Next giveaway, it's gonna like थोड़ा टाइम तो लगेगा भाई। लाइक इमिडिएटली मैं वापस दूसरा गिव अवे नहीं कर सकता। लेट्स गिव सम टाइम। अज्यूम करो कि अभी हम लोग थाउजेंड सब हिट करेंगे, राइट? तो लेट्स डू गिव अवे लाइक एट let's do giveaway at 100 and 1000 and what's say 1500. Let's say if we hit 1500 subs or so, then we can hit the giveaway thing again. So let's see, wait for that. या तो कोई something like, let's see, I mean let me think about it, like ऐसे immediately मैं give away नहीं कर सकता, let me think about it, because ऐसे it depends on the platform as well, right? तो okay, so फंडिंग फ्रंटियर अच्छी प्रोफार्म है। फंडिंग फ्रंटियर के साथ गिव अवे करो, ऐसा क्या संकेत भाई? फंडिंग फ्रंटियर के साथ, उसके साथ कर सकते हैं एक्चुअली। चैनल बूस्ट करो। टू बी ऑनेस्ट भाई, मैंने कभी भी ये चैनल पे कोई भी एड रन नहीं किया है, ठीक है? जो भी है दैट इज प्योरली ऑर्गेनिक वे। तो ए- इसलिए मैं नहीं किया बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट टू मैं कुछ ऐसा प्रमोट नहीं कर रहा, आई एम नॉट डूइंग समथिंग कि भाई मेरे को ऑडियंस ऐसा चाहिए ही चाहिए, ठीक है? आई एम डूइंग इट एज अ, आई लाइक इट बिकॉज आई लव टू ट्रेड एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट। तो जरूरत नहीं है उस चीज का, जो नेचुरली बिल्ड हो रहा है होने दो। Okay, guys, we have now, the point is we have around like 2 to 3 minutes. So it's totally depend on this 30-minute candle how it's closing. If it close bullish above here, then I'm gonna be taking a buy and putting stoppers below the structures, because I think like there's more possibility of a buy than the sell now. Okay, so take a look. Okay, most likely we have 260, 2655.50 or so. Okay, hello. Ah, okay, okay. You have arrived late. Like, should we give you any punishment or something? Like, that would be something like, I'm just kidding. Okay, like, according to me, so most likely we have multiple rejections at the price point of, 655 to 52 or so. Okay. So even if do price come at this area, then there is a possibility we can still have a rejection. Okay, news just came in and we are breaking the low. No, we did not break the low. Yeah, we did. Question is how price will move. What is the news? How it's that is a good number for that is a good number for USD. All right. So gold should be moving down here now. If there is a good number for USD, let's say DXY, how is that moving? Yeah, DXY started moving to the upside, but gold has been moving like DXY. Dollar index. What I'm talking about is dollar index. So look at this. We've been consolidating, and there is now volume a little bit because of the news. So are we either we're gonna go up or we're gonna go down? Question is, we need to see some closure of the candle, like a 15-minute or a 5-minute candle first. Let's wait for the 5-minute closure. Okay. Because I don't want to take a trade again and lose. This will be the last trade. So I'll just wait. So it respected this area and the low here of this candle. You see, this is the low, and we are still respecting that. Not good. Like we need to see some momentum before we take a trade. Interesting price point. You see, price have a solid bearish candle, but at the same time, look at that. That is not going down. Okay, now it's moving. There we go. Should we take a sell now? Because we have 2 minutes to close this candle. Yeah, let's wait for this 5-minute candle closure. All I need is if this 5-minute candle close below the structure, then that is a good confirmation for price to move down. But otherwise, I cannot wait. Like I think like we're gonna come down because we have 4 hour low here, right? So all I need is if we do break that low, then how price is moving is really important. We have 1 minute 30 seconds. Let's do this. Like if this 5-minute candle close above and respect the zone again, then that is not something I'm looking for. Okay, it could just melt down. It could melt down, but I don't want to take a trade because very at the end I'll be just losing money, right? So all we need is 1 minute. Once this candle is closed, then we're gonna take the trade. Not now. So we just break the 4 hour candle low there. Yeah, we just broke the low here. Now all we need is the break of structure on the 5-minute candle. Yeah, we just trap up again. Oh, that is not good again. You see, like that's why I was not taking the sell because it did break the low. It did break the low, but it's not closing below the structure. That is not good. Let's see. We have 4 seconds. If this 15-minute flip bullish, then basically we are going up again. Yeah, there you go. So what we're gonna do is take a buy here. I'm gonna take a buy here, and I'm gonna put stop loss exactly below this low here. That will be 38 pips or so, and I'm gonna target the highs. Simple. Because we've seen we have respecting this low for quite some time. Even after breaking the lows here, we close above. So if we let's say, I mean, like 40, 50 pips is too much to risk, right? But I think like below the structure is fine, the stop loss. Did you focus on RR? Well, at this moment, we are 1:1, I guess, not much. So, like, mostly my trades are like, 1:1. You can just only, I focused on lot size, to be honest. I do not focus on RR, but I focused on lot size that I trade. How much will I be risking at this point? 2642, how much that is? So that is 1%, and that is, what do you think, guys? 1%? Should we risk that? Because that is a proper stop loss, right? If I put below this area, that is a proper stop loss. That is a 50 pip stop loss. But I think like we can move way further than the above after breaking the structure. But it's all depend on this candle. If it's now breaking the lows again and coming back down, then we have no choice. Let's put the stop loss below because it's a proper stop loss there. Okay, I know it's a 1% and it's too much, but what I'll be doing is I'll be managing my risk if we are closing back below these areas. Okay, so that will be way better. All right. Now, at the same time, we have seen that after breaking the structure, price did try to break this area multiple times, one, two, and this is again, but it's just keep rejecting that with even with the news that is not good for the gold. We should be going down, but we are not. We are still focusing, respecting this structure and still. So I think these are enough confirmation for me to take a buy right now. So that's why I have taken my last trade here. And if we do not win this, I do not think so I will take any further trades. Okay. Okay, guys, if you have any questions or something, let's do that now because we have taken the trade. Even GJ is moving up. So yeah, I think GJ is moving up as well. So let's see how GJ is doing at the same time. Yeah, gold is still, still not sure like where it's going. Bro is providing valuable content, but there is lack to supply. I mean, it's always like that, right? If you're providing the right value, if you're providing and putting efforts, but it's okay. We still have it's totally depend on you things like how you take because I love these things, so I'm doing it. There is nothing I do not expect from people to watch me or watch my things. Okay, so I don't want that anyway. I'm beginning to trade on 11th. Okay, 11th of January. Sure. I mean, because we have really news and everything like that in the next week, so it will be good volume in the next week. This is like a last attempt for the trade because I know like there will be not much volume in Friday, but we can move around 50 to 30 pips, right? As for GJ, we are moving up, right? As for GJ, we are moving up. Like, look at this. So we've been consolidating in Asia, then London, and now in New York session, we are breaking this highs, which is a 4 hour high, previous candle high. Okay, so now if you go to 30-minute time frame or a 15-minute time frame, once this candle close above, then most likely we should be seeing is that going up. I enjoy your podcast. Thank you, brother. I mean, if you guys are watching, you are learning, right? We do not need people who are just watching it, just like just for the fun. Okay. Oh, I thought price did went down for a second there, but it rejected again. Let me see if my position is there. Yeah. I don't like, as I was saying, like we need people who want to trade, who want to learn, like with us and grow. Okay. We do not need people who are just here to, first of all, talk about something that is they don't understand. So I think the best option is to build the right audience with the right mindset. So we do not need more people. We need few, but right with the right mindset. Okay, trade is going now in a shithole. Okay, so should I should close this or either should wait? Question is that because on a 1 minute time frame we have this as a zone, and we can, if we respect this area and go up from here, then we are still good. But if we do not, then we're gonna hit the SL. Simple. Mhm. Let's see. Yeah, maybe it's coming to pick more orders. Possible. Well, एसएल जा सकता है आज भी, but let's see. ठीक है, let's see, because I waited for this trade quite some time, and there's more confirmation on this just than the technical. So let's see. Oh, I have still not removed this on the pin message. Even the SL to go, we have no problem with that, right? I mean, I do not have because I am managing my risk with this trade, right? So even if I do lose, I'm okay with that. But if you're over trading or over risking, then you should not be okay with that trade, and you will be having your heart pounding at the rate of, I don't know what, like a car. But yeah, because I have feel that if you're flipping an account and the last money you have and you're trying your desperate attempt, when you do that, your hands, your legs, everything will be so cold. But yeah, you will try it. It's a good feeling, but at the same time you are taking the risk. That's why you have that feeling, right? For GJ, we did close above on a 5 minute time frame. 50-minute candle will be closing in 17 minutes. We would love to take the GJ trade as well, to be honest, but we already took one, right? How many percent are you having at this moment? If I lose this trade, I'll be losing 1%. But if I win this trade, I'll be gaining 1%. So it's 1 to 1. I'll be honest, like guys, I'm more confident on GJ as well. Like, look at the structure. We did break above, okay, and this is a 4 hour candle breaking the high. 1 hour candle is breaking the high, and in the whole Asia and London session, there was no momentum like this, but we were still making a high and high with the both session. So there is a more possibility on GJ to win the trade instead of the gold. But let's see. Yeah, there we go. Gold is moving down. How many times it have rejected again? I did reject it once, the zone. The question is like it's gonna hold it or not, because we've been creating a strong bearish momentum, but we are not breaking below the structure, which is confusing for me now. Like, either we're gonna shoot up like a crazy way, either we're gonna break down like a crazy way. So there's two options could happen. But we are still in the trade, right? So as for GJ, we are consolidating on a 1 minute time frame. There is no point to look at the 1 minute time frame right now. Okay, I think we're gonna hit the stop loss now because 50 minute is going bearish there. I secured 2% profit for withdrawal from my 25K funded account. That's good. That's good for you. Like, good. I mean, you're a good trader then. If you have passed the phase one, phase two, and making withdrawals, good one then. See, price is still like it's going down, but it's rejecting as well. Like it's not giving a proper direction. So there I'm confused more. Like looking at the 1 hour or 30 minute time frame, yeah, I see that price is going down. But at the same time, I also see that we have rejected multiple times this area. And at the same time, with the 4 hour candle, after breaking the low, we should be continue going down with a good amount of sell momentum, and we did not. We are retracing at this point. So the question is what we gonna do here. If I lost this trade, basically, then the reason I won't be trading is because the volume is really not good. Okay, the volume is really not good, and we already have tried one trade, and I think that we are consolidating, and it's Friday, so I don't want to risk that much. So if I lost this trade, I'll be out of it. Okay, there we go. There we go. We are out. Why we are not hitting the SL there? We did not hit the SL there. Oh, now we did. So there we go. We are down 1%, and now it's melting. So the reason I was not taking the trade was because of that. Now, if you guys want to take a trade, you can be my guest, but I won't be taking any trades now, not because gold have given me good hint that you should not be trading today. Today is not your day, and you should come back next week and see what we can do. See, I need to make a deal with the gold that let me win for some period of time so I can make money. Anyway, well, guys, if you have any questions, fire away. We will give you like 5 to 10 minutes and then we'll be off the live stream. So ask your questions. Do you have any? Bad luck, bro? No, it's not a bad luck. It's a simple thing. Okay. There was a consolidation. Okay. We tried to take a sell here with the right direction as thinking that, after doing a retest at this point, price should be going down. Okay. But since that trade did not work out, okay, because we did the same analysis here, right? That price will reject this area and go down. But what happened is that it went up. So looking at this, my past trade ideas, what I was expecting is that we have seen gold moving to the upside for quite some time, and based on a 4 hour and a 1 hour time frame, we've been moving down. Okay, so this could be the point where price could reject and go up. Okay, so that's what I thought on a smaller time frames, and at this area price was rejecting like 1 to 2 times, and then I thought like this could be that area where after even the bad news on the gold, it should be moving down, but it is moving down now. So I was thinking like it could go down, go up from here. That was the analysis there. So it's not a luck, it's all about your analysis. If you think your analysis will work, it will. Okay, so just stick with the analysis. It's not like we will not have any bad trading day. There will be always bad trading day, always. It even months, weeks, so it's not about like that. We should manage our risk. Like I'm not like anything like we were up around like 2% on this account. Sorry, like technically like 1%, and we lost that 1% of the profit, and now we are down 1%, you can say, technically. Okay, so all we did was lose our profit today, and what we are doing is we take another question, another trade which did not work out in our way. I have a question, but I'm not confident in my English, so I cannot ask you. Well, ask me in the Hindi. Like मैं reply कर दूंगा हिंदी में भी. I mean, like, it's not like कि भाई इंग्लिश ही करेंगे. रेसिज्म नहीं कर रहा हम इधर किसी का भी. इट जस्ट कि मेरा ऑडियंस दोनों साइड से है, राइट? इसलिए मेरे को इंग्लिश भी बोलना पड़ता है कि भाई दे शुड अंडरस्टैंड, राइट? और स्टार्टिंग से मैंने वही बिल्डअप ऑडियंस बिल्ड किया, तो इट विल बी बेटर दैट वे. You see, like now after breaking this, what gold is doing, it's moving up again. Like, question is it gonna move continuously to the upside, or is it gonna... Yeah, but I'm not gonna take any trades. I'm not looking at this. I can... Oh, okay, you're from Nepal. Like I had some friends from Nepal, like when I was in Paris. But anyway, like if you like, you have my Instagram and other contacts, so fire the question there. Possibly I will ask you that. I mean, I will answer you there. And if you don't know, like we are living in 2025, and we have Google Translation. We have a lot of translation app, so you can use that. If this goal, if now it's coming up, trust me guys, do not trade this, because the momentum it have right now is so less, and it will just be multiple fake outs. So we cannot scalp in this zone, basically. So I won't suggest to take that any trade because it's Friday, right? And it's already the end of the time. So I think the best option is to what we call to wait for Monday and start trading at that time. Anyway, guys, so I guess that's all. Thank you for joining the live stream. Thank you for being part of this amazing trading journey. We are sharing everything live here. Like, whatever trade we take, whatever, if we lose, we lose. If we win, we win. Okay, simple as that. So, thank you for joining it. And I hope I see you in the next live stream that will be on Monday. That's all. Okay. So, if you're new to the live stream, do subscribe and join us anytime. All right. All right, guys. See you Monday. Okay. Enjoy your weekend. Don't 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 be doing any desperate attempt to trade on other pairs. Okay, keep it up. We will I will do my best to continue the live stream and continue this thing, so we can share everything. The only reason like I do not do live stream is like sometimes I feel like when I take a trade, people here watching me will be taking a similar trades, right? So it's something that I'm not confident enough like you will guys win and I will win as well, because if I lose my money I'm okay with that, but if I lost your money, that is not okay with me or you, right? So I think I need to put a disclaimer or something that I'm not a profitable trader. Please take a trade on your own risk. That will be way better. Anyway, so yeah, I'll see you in the next live stream. Okay. And if you have any questions or something, you have my Discord, you have my Instagram, reach me out there. Okay. See you guys. Bye. Have a good weekend.